Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install any VS Code extension step by step. So the extensions tab is right here. If you see, if you click it, this tab will open. You see this option extensions, and once you click this is actually the extensions marketplace. So inside the search bar you can actually install, download and any VS Code extensions. So you can also type in the search bar. So as soon as you type it, a number of extensions will come. And now to download and install any extension. So once you click on any individual extensions, so let's suppose I want to install this extension. On the right hand side, you will see the name of the extension, the developer of number of installs, the rating of the extension, and short little description. And it exactly tells you about what this extension does step by step. So now to install and download that, there is this install button. You click that button, and after you click that, the installing will start. So once it completes, it will change like this. So similarly, you just click on individual extension and click on the install button. So this will do all the job for you in the background and in this easy way. So there are unlimited amount of extensions. You can scroll right here. It's a complete marketplace, and here you can actually see, you can even filter those extensions as well. So there's a filter tab as well. So you can, based upon the category. So let's suppose you only want to see extensions related to AI. So you simply filter out those extensions only. So in this easy way, you can filter and search only AI related extensions. So in this easy way, you can actually download and install any VS Code extension.